All right, good morning, everybody. It is 8 o'clock, and it is a Thursday, and they've got new home sales coming out here, existing home sales coming out here as we speak. I'm going to take a look at this here and see. Don't have the numbers yet. Jobless claims. 4-week average was up. Initial jobless claims were down from last time, so yeah, still no numbers on existing homes. Pretty quiet though. Overall, pretty quiet. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to be trading this morning. Once again, if you're joining us on YouTube and Facebook, thank you. This is going to be a demonstration of my trading approach that I've used over the last 35 years. It's a simpler approach, and since we use what we call behavioral patterns, these are not your traditional chart patterns. They're not candlestick patterns, dojis and all that, morning stars, all that stuff. These are very unique, what we call behavioral patterns, and then we layer those patterns. We have several that we look at. We layer those patterns on top of each other to give us an indication of the overall direction and also the next trade setup. So we're going to watch RTY, which is going to be our mini Russell NQ, continue to watch the mini NASDAQ, GC for gold, NG for natural gas, and CL for crude. And as always on the stocks, Apple, Microsoft, GM, and Home Depot. And then on the currencies, we'll continue to watch Euro US. I don't have any initial setups here or anything. It looks like Home Depot is in a possible pullback here. Same with Microsoft. Actually, we are getting a short. We got a couple shorts. Short on gold and short on the mini NASDAQ. Let's get a target on this mini NASDAQ in gold. Target on mini NASDAQ is going to bring us down to 110.70. So that's going to be our profit target. So we're looking at a target on this on this mini NASDAQ to 110.70. And if for some reason we need the reverse, it's going to be way up here. 111.82 and a half. That would be a reversal. All right, let's take a look at gold. All right, gold, I'm going to have a target down here of 1632. So profit target is 1632 on this short gold. And reversal is going to be 1644. All right, short gold. Short the mini NASDAQ. Getting a short now on crude oil. Short on crude oil. Yeah, it's getting active this morning. Short on crude oil. All right, I'll put a target on crude down to this 85.05. Profit target on crude 85.05. Profit target hit. Reversal on crude is going to bring us up to 86.25. All right, so we have a short mini NASDAQ going on. We do have a short gold going on and a short crude. Everything's short. Looking for a pullback on Home Depot. Let's see. I see Home Depot coming down to 273.40. And looks like we have a pullback on Microsoft. Pullback on Microsoft. Down to 235.10. $235.10. Nothing on the Euro US. Question is, favorite day of the week. I have two favorite days of the week, Glenn. Sunday nights, and Thursdays. Absolutely my best days. So don't forget, if you are one of our crystal ball traders, we do have training and trading tonight. And that's going to be at 8 p.m. Eastern. Always love what we call CB night. CB night, we do a lot of really short term. It's one of the methods that we use. And it's more of a scalping approach. And man, it's been on fire. It's just been on fire. A lot of good volatility in here. A lot of good opportunities. All right, so just hanging tight here short on mini Russell, gold, and crude. Probably going to be pretty quiet here until the Dow opens here in another about 20 minutes. Take a look at our overnight trades. Overnight trades. All right, let's see. Okay, so on the pound yen, we are coming in long. US CAD, we are coming in short, and we're also coming in long on the USD CHF, which is the USD Swiss. All right, so everything is green right now except the USD CHF. Usually see a lot of volatility on Thursday, so love Thursdays. Probably going to see it right after this Dow opens up. Right now, we're set up to have a pretty quiet opening on the Dow. It's a good add-on point to short crude. Crude still short on gold. Still short on the mini NASDAQ. Pretty quiet right now. We're just hanging tight. Yeah, you're right. Tuesdays, I mean, the best days of the week. But I like Mondays. I like that volatility too. But Tuesdays and Wednesdays are always really, I mean, Fridays are probably the toughest, but our Fridays have been really good. So, but I know Fridays for a lot could be tough. All right, just hanging tight here. Let's see. Now still looks like some pretty quiet opening. Looks like we're going to be up. I don't know, maybe open up quiet at 50 points higher. Yeah, that's one of the things Glenn is talking about, having a having a daily objective, and that's so important. I think you come in, you set your objective for the day, whatever that is, dollar amount. You find those one or two markets that you like to trade and stick with them. I wouldn't trade too many. And then once you hit your objective, shut her down. And then if you can move over to a simulator or demo account, do that and practice more. But once you hit that daily goal on your live account, then you step aside. But I would never go live until you've been in a simulator and you can show that you can be consistently profitable. I mean, I like to see profitability of at least 9 out of every 10 trading days. That's not a big feat, because with particularly the way we trade, we have a lot of opportunities throughout the day to hit that goal. So we have a lot of opportunities during the day, a lot of opportunities at night. But set your goal, shut her down, but if you have time, continue to practice. Get in a simulator and practice. And really get to know the personality of the market you're trading, because they all have a little bit different personality. They all move a little bit differently, and you can tell when they're normal, when they're not normal. Crude will reverse at 86.25 for a buy, still short. All right, about another 3 minutes to go here for the Dow to open up here. The mini Dow's open up 70, so we're going to see somewhere between 50 to 70 probably opening on the Dow. Our scans, we ran scans last night, and man, it was really strong buys to the downside today. Let me take a look. We run a scan on 12,000 different stocks, and then what we do is we run our patterns. And we find all the stocks with a setup pattern, then we look to see what the bias is. And let's see. For today, based on yesterday's action, we have quite a few here. Let's see. Wow, yeah, we have about 100. We have about 150 stocks. 93% of them are short setups. 93% short setups. That's pretty high. So with that being said, expectations would be that the Dow would close lower today. But once again, in terms of accuracy and picking the overall direction of the market, it's going to be somewhere between 60 and 65%. Not a huge percentage in terms of predictability for the overall market, but nonetheless, it's better than 50-50. So slight edge there and seeing what the overall market's going to do. But yeah, the majority of these stocks, of the 150, 93% of them have short setups today. All right. All right. I'm still short the crude. My alert never went off. I'm still short this crude. I think it may have hit that. I don't know. I'm not showing it here. My alert did not go off. right, I'm going to get out of it because I'm not so sure what help does that add on. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this crude. My alert didn't go off, but I'm seeing it possibly may have hit that 85, 80. Okay, I'm going to get out of here, take my small little profit. Flat crude. Now, if we come back up here again, I'll buy it at the 86.25. All right, still short gold. Still short the mini NASDAQ. Waiting for a pullback on Microsoft still. Home Depot waiting for a pullback. Now, if we don't have a pullback on Home Depot, let me see here. We're going to get an HF1 buy up here. That HF1 buy would come in at 276.40, so I'm going to mark that. 276.40 would be a really good buy on Home Depot. So let's watch this. Whoops. I didn't mean to get rid of that. Put that target back in. Still looking for a target down here of 110.70. Profit target hit. All right. All right. If cruise comes up to 86.25, I do want to buy it. 86.25. Want to buy it at 86.25. Waiting for a pullback on Home Depot. Still waiting to see if we get that pullback on Microsoft. Still waiting on crude to buy. Still short gold. And the mini NASDAQ's actually another good place to add on up here on mini NASDAQ short. Okay, Dow's up 70, up 66, up 70. Still short the mini NASDAQ. Not unusual to see mini NASDAQ go down. Watch the Dow and the Russell and the S&P 500 go up. I think Home Depot hit our target. So we no longer have a buy up here at 76.40, so nothing yet on Home Depot. Have a buy on RTY, buy going on RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. I don't do a lot of, well, I can't say that. I've done a little ETFs. I like them. What do you think? Somebody's asking me if I've done much with ETFs, or what do I think of them? All right, so crude just went long, just bought crude. Dow's up 9. All right, I didn't give you a target on, did I? I didn't give a target on RTY, did I? All right. First of all, let me give you the reversal, just in case it hits reversal. Reversal down here is going to be 1729. But our profit target's going to remain up here at 1744. Still short gold. Let's get crude. Long crude. Target on crude, I'm looking for a target of 86.65. 86.65. That would be my profit target.
Profit target hit.
Come on, 86.65 is going to be my profit target. So if we come up to 86.65, I'll have a limit up there to get out. Still short the mini NASDAQ, long the mini Russell. Getting ready to maybe go short on the mini Russell. Yeah, no, I think I just haven't put much time into ETFs. There's just so much to do, but I think using ETFs could be a really nice thing. I just think anything you want to trade with is going to be any market. It's going to be fine. Using these patterns, they work across the board.
Reverse sell.
I don't see any reverse sales. On Microsoft, we're still waiting for the pullback, but if we hit this 238.10, I like that buy up there on Microsoft. I'm going to mark that 238.10. I'll make that green line so you know that's where I'd like to enter, but still expecting it to pull back. Let's see. Come on, crude. Sitting way up there. 86.65 is my target on crude. $85.45 would be to get out of crude. Okay, good buy point on Microsoft. Microsoft is at a buy. Buying Microsoft. Hit our price level.
Reverse buy.
That's going to put you up on Microsoft. That's going to put you up to 239.10. That would be my target, 239.10. I'd get out or reverse at 236.09. I'm going to go right below 10. 236.09. That would be a reversal. If you want to take a shorter, just get out. Reverse buy on the mini NASDAQ. That's what that trigger was. That was reverse buy. And it is moving fast. Still long RTY. Target on US Tech now is going to bring us up to 112.20. Profit target 112.20. If you need to reverse, it's going to be down here at 111.07 and a half. All right, so we're long the ES. I'm sorry, long the ES. We're long RT. We're long the mini Russell, and we're also long the mini Nasdaq. We would reverse and go short at 1729 on RTY. Down right now, sitting up 133. All right, so we're still long crude. Still long RTY. We are also long the mini Nasdaq. We've been short gold for a while. We're continuing to hold short on our gold. Approaching target on our mini Nasdaq. Crude slowly approaching target. Microsoft still in a buy, trying to hit target. Nothing on GM, nothing on Home Depot. Don't have anything on the indices.
Profit target hit.
All right, we hit.
Profit target hit.
All right, so we hit target on hit target on Microsoft. Also hit target on the mini Nasdaq. Still short gold. Still long RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. Short gold, crude hit its profit target. For some reason, my alarms are not working on crude. It's weird. It's the only one. But they are not going off like they're supposed to. Alright, so that just puts us short gold and long the mini Russell, which is my favorite. Out of Microsoft, that's already hit target. We got a buy now on Home Depot. We do have a buy on Home Depot. That buy is going to put us up to 275.40. Profit target 275.40 on Home Depot. Would get out or reverse down here at 272.39. If Home Depot blasts through the 75.40, you can hold it, use a trailing stop. Depends how you want to trade that. Or just get out. It's going to follow the Dow. Let's see what the Dow's doing. Still up 156. It's interesting. We have a lot of short stock, a lot of short buy stocks today. All right, so we have another 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Once again, if you're watching us on YouTube and Facebook, please check out my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, and you will see a lot of videos there. Also, my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Come check us out. Also, check out our daily results. Those are actual results. You'll be able to check that. That crude is already, we're out of crude. Looks like that crude does want to go much higher. Much higher. Just taking a peek here at silver. Anybody interested in silver? Silver's in a really nice buy right now, which is interesting. Good risk to reward. Silver, I could see coming up to 1891. I do like that. 1891. $18.91, good buy right here though. We're sitting down here at 58, and so the stop and a reversal would be 1831. All right. It's interesting. Short gold, long silver. I think it'd make nice hedge against that gold. All right, still hanging tight here, long on the mini Russell RTY. We are short the gold, long the silver. Nothing on crude. Home Depot's in a buy, 275.40. 275.40 target. HF3 buy on Home Depot. Microsoft had a really nice HF1 that's already hit target. Had that nice reversal HF1 buy on the mini NASDAQ that hit target. All right, we are at the top of the hour. Let's kind of wrap it up. We'll continue on in the live chat room with our subscribers. So everybody have a good day. Be careful. Love the volatility. Thursday's one of the best days to trade. So if you can't trade any other day besides Thursdays, you will do just fine long term. All right, because Thursdays always have a lot of action, particularly if you're a day trader, very short term trader, scalper, kind of like what I like to do. So anyway, that's it. Everybody have a good day. Be careful. We'll see you tomorrow, first thing in the morning.